Welcome back to the e-learning platform of BSIT's Mechanical Engineering Department. I am Viren Birdi and we are studying manufacturing processes. This is unit number 1, Fundamentals of Machining and Machining Operations. In the previous video, we have seen few lathe machine operations like chamfering, knurling, drilling, boring and reaming operations. In the current video, we are going to study the different cutting parameters those are used for lathe machine. So at the end of this video, you will be able to explain the cutting parameters of lathe machine. Let's get started. The first parameter that is considered while machining on a lathe is the cutting speed. Now the cutting speed of lathe cutting tool is the speed at which the metal is removed by the tool from the workpiece. कटिंग स्पीडचा अर्थ काय आहे की किती स्पीडनी ते आपण जे एक्सेस मटेरियल आहे ते त्या टूलने काढतोय त्याला आपण कटिंग स्पीड असं म्हणतो. In a lathe, the peripheral speed of the work past the cutting tool is expressed in meters per minute. lathe machine मध्ये हा जो स्पीड आहे तो आपण मीटर्स पर मिनिट मध्ये एक्सप्रेस करतो. The formula for cutting speed is pi dn upon 1000 meters per minute, where d is the diameter of the work expressed in mm and n is the rpm of the work. म्हणजे किती रिव्होल्यूशन्स पर मिनिटनी ते वर्कपीस रोटेट व्हायला लागलेला आहे त्याला आपण n म्हणतो आणि d जो स्मॉल आहे तो त्या वर्कपीसचा डायमीटर आहे विच इज एक्सप्रेस्ड इन mm millimeters. Okay. The next parameter is feed. In a lathe work, the feed of the cutting tool is the distance the tool advances for each revolution of the work. त्या वर्कपीसच्या प्रत्येक रिव्होल्यूशनमध्ये ते टूल किती पुढं जाते याला आपण फीड असं म्हणतो. फीड इज एक्सप्रेस्ड इन मिलीमीटर्स पर रिव्होल्यूशन. फीड हा मिलीमीटर्स पर रिव्होल्यूशनमध्ये एक्सप्रेस केला जातो. इन्क्रीज्ड फीड रिड्युसेस कटिंग टाईम बट ऑल्सो इन्क्रीज्ड फीड ग्रेटली रिड्युसेस द टूल लाईफ. जेवढ्या आपण फास्ट ते टूल पुढं नेऊ त्याने आपला कटिंग टाईम कमी होईल पण ॲट द सेम टाईम टूल लाईफ हे कमी होत जाईल. The feed depends on factors such as size, shape, strength and method of holding the component, the tool shape, its setting as regards overhang, the rigidity of the machine, depth of cut, the power available, etc. Rougher feeds are applied for roughing and finer feeds for finishing cuts. जर आपल्याला रफ फिनिशिंग पाहिजे असेल तर आपण टूल फास्ट नेलं तरीसुद्धा काही हरकत नाही, पण जर आपल्याला फाईन फिनिशिंग पाहिजे असेल तर आपल्याला जो फीड आहे तो स्लोच लावावा लागतो. द नेक्स्ट पॅरामीटर इज डेप्थ ऑफ कट. द डेप्थ ऑफ कट इज द परपेंडिक्युलर डिस्टन्स फ्रॉम द मशीन सरफेस टू द अनकट सरफेस ऑफ द वर्कपीस. जे काही वर्कपीसमध्ये आपण कटिंग करणार आहोत त्याचं परपेंडिक्युलर डिस्टन्स म्हणजे बाहेरच्या सरफेसपासून आतल्या सरफेसपर्यंतचं जे काही परपेंडिक्युलर डिस्टन्स आहे त्याला आपण डेप्थ ऑफ कट असं म्हणतो. डेप्थ ऑफ कट इज कॅल्क्युलेटेड ॲज d1 minus d2 by 2 where d1 is the diameter of the surface before machining and d2 is the diameter of the machined surface. So depth of cut is equal to d1 minus d2 divided by 2. A depth of cut varies inversely with the cutting speed. Depth of cut हा cutting speed ला inversely proportional असतो. For the general purpose, the ratio of the depth of cut to the feed varies and mostly it is 10:1. Okay. Now machining time. The machining time in the lathe work can be calculated for a particular operation if the speed of the job, feed length of the job is known. जर स्पीड आणि फीड हे माहिती असतील तर आपण मशीनिंग टाइम काढू शकतो. If S is the feed of the job per revolution expressed in millimeters per revolution and L is the length of the job in millimeters, then a number of revolution of the job required for a complete cut will be L upon S. S जर आपल्याला फीड दिला असेल आणि L जर लेंथ असेल तर कंप्लीट कट घेण्यासाठी आपल्याला जो काही नंबर ऑफ रिव्होल्यूशन्स लागणार आहेत ते असणार आहेत L upon S. So machining time is equal to L upon S into N, that is the revolutions per minute आणि ते एक्सप्रेस होणार मिनिट्समध्ये. मशीनिंग टाइम विल बी एक्सप्रेस्ड इन मिनिट्स वेअर L is the length of the job in mm, S is the feed of the job in mm and N is the RPM of the work. So that is how we calculate the machining time in lathe machine. आता हे जे सगळे आपण पॅरामीटर्स बघितलेले आहेत ते आपण एका ॲनिमेशनच्या व्हिडिओनी परत एकदा डिटेलमध्ये बघूया सो दॅट द कन्सेप्ट विल बी मोर क्लिअर.
Today we will discuss about the cutting speed, feed and depth of cut. What is cutting speed? Cutting speed is a rate at which the metal is removed by tool. Means how much speedy our tool for removing the metal on the workpiece. Let's take an example. When tool moves slowly and removed metal, this is the rate of the tool for removing the metal, and if we increase the cutting speed of the tool, then the rate will be separate from the first one, and if we increase the speed of the tool for metal removal, this is our cutting speed. Now what is feed? Feed is the distance traveled by the tool on the workpiece. How much tool will travel on the workpiece for metal removal? Let's take an example. If our tool moves slightly, and if second example our tool moves larger distance than, and if our tool moves larger distance than the two examples as we see earlier, this is called the distance traveled by the tool on the workpiece is called feed. And what is depth of cut? Depth of cut is thickness of metal removed in one cut of the tool. How much metal is removed by on the workpiece by this cutting tool is called depth of cut in one cut. Means 1 mm, 2 mm, 3 mm, how much metal is removed in one cut of the tool. Let's take an example. If first cut is of, if we take an example 1 mm, then second cut will be of larger than the first one, and the third cut is larger than the two example as we see earlier. So depth of cut is the thickness of metal removal in one cut of the tool. So these are the speed, feed, depth of cut of the tool on the workpiece. Thank you.
to revise about this video. We have seen the different cutting parameters of lathe machine such as cutting speed, feed, depth of cut and machining time. Okay. In the next video, we will start with the new machine, that is drilling machine. Till then, thank you for watching.